So what's up again, guys? This is Master Felipe, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a for loops. So there are two classification of for loops here in Python. We have first the container, and the second is range. So how are we going to do that? First, we need to discuss a container type of the Python for loops. So first, we need to create a new file. So we need to indicate here a list. So in the previous tutorial discusses the list. So now we're going to create another list. So I'll name it as an anime. So One Piece is my favorite anime. Naruto and Hunter x Hunter. So first is how we're going to use a container type of for loops. So first is we need to declare an iterator. So we need to create a variable here in which the variable here indicated as an iterator. So I name is as an I means for short term of an iterator. And at the same time I use a container in which I make the container of an animes. So I will have to use this anime as a container for the for loop. So animes. So now how we're going to print the One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So now we're going to use that. I like that. At the same time, we need to get the iterator. So first iterator here in animes. So once we indicated I here, so it reads the One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So we need to concatenate here the I. So it prints the One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So the output of this one, I like One Piece, I like Naruto, and I like Hunter x Hunter. So that's the first container using for loops. So that's the first for loop that we discussed. So we should try to run it, then save. So we save here to our YouTube Python tutorial and name it as an exercise 9. So I like One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So now that's how we are going to use a container type. So now how we are going to use a range type of a for loop. So we have two for loops types now. The first part is the container and the second part is the range. So now we're going to use the range. But before that, we need to identify what length does the list that we created have. So how many length does the list that we created? So in order to do that, we need to create a class. So which is length. The class length here identifies the length of the list. So it counts the list. So now we are going to count the animes here. So once we know the length of the list, so we are going to print the we are going to identify how many length that we are going to use in range. So first is, so we identified here as 3. So the range here of the list that we created is 3. So how do we count that in length? So length starts with 1, but not with 0. Only list starts with 0. So length starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3. So it should be 3. So same as range. So it starts with 3. So for I in range to the length of animes, which is 3. So basically, it prints the One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So same again. So we identify the list, and now we're going to have to print the I here. So it iterates the first One Piece, the second one Naruto, and the last one is Hunter x Hunter. So we should try to run it again. So you can see One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. So that's where we're going to use the range of the for loops. And the first one is the container. So that ends our tutorial for now. And for more discussion of the Python basics, please hit subscribe and like the video. Thank you everyone. God bless.